I am Sam Albanese at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. And today's weather around the state to start with. Yesterday we had over 17,000 lightning strikes across Alaska into the Yukon Territory, and we're already seeing lightning activity along the Alaska Range and over into the Kuskokwim Valley. What's going on is low pressure down in the Gulf with high pressure along the North Gulf Coast, and more importantly a thermal trough of low pressure across the interior, which is where the focus of those thunderstorms have been happening. We also have widespread areas of smoke from the upper Yukon Valley into the Tanana Valley down to the Kuskokwim Valley. In southeast Alaska, generally sunny skies prevailed, while we had some clouds along the North Gulf Coast with sunny skies inland of those areas. By tonight, we expect the thermal trough to persist in the interior, and that will be the focus of the thunderstorm activity again from the northern Bristol Bay area to the Yukon Delta, as well as into the Kuskokwim Valley, into the upper Yukon Valley, as well as portions of the Copper River Basin. High pressure along the North Gulf Coast will keep skies sunny or clear throughout southeast Alaska, and we also expect some very cloudy conditions across much of the Bering Sea as we have high pressure over the western Aleutian Islands, which will also result in widespread areas of fog there. By Wednesday, we'll still have our low pressure in the southern Gulf of Alaska, a weak ridge of high pressure along the coast from southeast Alaska to the North Gulf Coast, with our thermal trough in the interior. Expect some rain to spread into the southern panhandle early in the evening and throughout much of southeast Alaska by morning. Expect thunderstorm activity once again across the interior from the Kuskokwim Valley and the Kuskokwim Delta up to the upper Yukon Valley. By Thursday, low pressure will be moving north in the Gulf of Alaska to just south of Kodiak Island, with another low pressure system in the eastern Gulf of Alaska. Expect rain throughout southeast Alaska and along the North Gulf Coast. Cloudy conditions over the southeast interior, while we're still expecting some scattered to isolated thunderstorm activity in the upper Yukon Valley to the central interior. Some fog is also expected along the Arctic coast in the morning hours. And in the Bering Sea, with the high pressure persisting out there, expect widespread areas of fog along the Aleutian Islands to the Pribilof Islands. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm Sam Albanese of the National